Hey guys, my name is Fernanda, and today I'm gonna do a tutorial about how to use Evernote. So Evernote is a website and an application on your phone that you can use to make notes, share notes, make worksheets, and we'll just get right to it. So we're gonna start by looking it up on Google. I'm going to go to login page, and it's super simple. You can sign in with your Gmail account, and it's much easier that way. I already made one. And so it just takes you straight to your page and to all of your notes that you've already written. To make a new note, we go here and create a new note. So this website basically lets you keep all of your notes in one place, in one website. And you can keep notes for all of your classes. You can use this as a student or as a teacher. It is really convenient and really easy to use. Let's say I am a high school teacher and I want to share or start a worksheet or a note about this new Spanish unit. So let's say this is Spanish 2, and we're learning about Don Quixote, a new literature. And so it's really easy to also drag in files. It says drag files or just start typing. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to just drag a new picture in there. We're going to look up Don Quixote. And just any picture, just to show you how easy this is. So I'm dragging this picture in here, and all you have to do is drag and drop. And there it is. So to start typing, all I have to do is and like I mentioned previously, as a teacher, I think, especially as a high school teacher, secondary teacher, this website is really convenient to use to share with your students, because your students are more likely to have more access to the internet. And since a lot of high school students already do things online, this is just a super easy way to get them to use technology for the classroom. And I really like it. I've never used it for any classes before, but it's a super easy way to just keep different notebooks, and I'll show you how to do that as well in a second. So Don Quixote de la Mancha, and just drag pictures in there. You can make a worksheet here. You can have your notes for the class instead of having a PowerPoint and just having students read over that. You can have test reviews on here, and to share them, it's super easy. You just go to the share menu, Dropbox right there, and you can email it to them. You can send them the link, and you can even share it on social media with whatever and whoever you would like. And it's super easy. When you're done, you press done, and it's very simple. And I didn't show you how to. You can edit this, change the size, you can change the font, and you can do lots of other things like. Also, this is how I was mentioning how to create notebooks. So you can create a notebook there, or you can go here and create a notebook here. So let's say that you're a teacher and you want a high school teacher, and you want to have a notebook for each class. So for each period, so let's say this is for period 1. You create your notebook. You create your notebook for second period, and here you add all of your notes for second period, your worksheets. So this is under, you can see here, this is under period 2. So you would have, let's say your second period is Spanish, maybe Spanish AP 4 AP. And you can have all of their literature here. If you want to give them their reading list for the week or for the month or for the grading period, you can just have a checklist here and write all of just their list. And it's super easy, and then you just share it with them, email it to them, and make it super accessible in a very simple way. I just think it's a really, really convenient website. And you can also have your kids download it on their phone as an app, and this works for any phone. And it's just all your notes there, and it's really accessible, really easy, really self-explanatory app. And yeah, and then you can even search up your notes, like for first period, let's say Spanish 2. And there it is. It appears just what you wrote down. And it's really easy, it's really accessible. Like I said, it's a super easy and cool app, and it's free. It is easy to make an account, it's free to make an account, and it's free to use it. So I super duper recommend it. Thank you so much, guys.